Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the FOIL method for 3 different algebraic equations. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I will be sure to respond. Let's get started. So first of all, FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. So if you have a problem that says use FOIL to solve the equation, you would do F, which is first, which would be 3x times 2x, which is 6x squared. Then you would do O, which is outside, which is 3x times 1, which is just 3x. I, inside, negative 4 times 2x, which is negative 8x. And L, which is last, which is negative 4 times 1, which is negative 4. Then you would combine like terms. So 3x minus 8x is negative 5x. Then you bring the rest of the equation down. Then you have 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. And that's it. So again, to start this out, you're going to use F, which is first. It would be 2x times x, which is just 2x squared. O, outside, so 2x times negative 2y, which will give us negative 4xy. I, inside, 3y times x, which equals 3xy, and L, which is 3y times 2y, which gives us negative 6y squared. Again, combine like terms. Negative 4xy times 3x or plus 3xy equals just negative 1xy, which you can write as just negative xy. Bring the rest of the equation down. 2x squared minus xy minus 6y squared. Now, let's say you are asked to solve for the area of a rectangle. That's the same thing as just saying x plus y times 2x plus y. Because for a rectangle, it would be width times length. So, first step is F, x times 2x, 2x squared. O, x times y. I, inside, 3y times 2x. And L, last. 3y times y. Combine like terms, which gives you 7xy. Bring down the rest of the equation, and this will give you an area of 2x squared plus 7xy plus 3y squared. And that's it.